Hey, Brett.
How we doing?
Good. What are you doing over here?
Well, we are building an air ride. We have enough air ride, the Kelderman air ride system for a W900. So we're doing a little R&D today. Took all the factory stuff out, getting all everything in there, measuring, cutting, drilling, you know, the fun stuff.
So how much of an advantage is an air ride on the front end of a semi like this?
So, my opinion, takes a lot of driver fatigue out, you know. The roads suck nowadays. So, helps with a lot of potholes in the road, soaks it up better. The air ride soaks it up. Doesn't just beat you so much going down the road. So it makes it ride a lot smoother. Soaks it up, more stable. This one has a dual leveling valve, so you can set the truck. You know, if you get a truck that's leaning or something, you can set it. You got the truck level. And then those guys that like to set them down when they're done for the day, you know, or wherever they're going, you can dump all the air out, set the whole truck down. Makes it easier for older guys too, so they can step up the step easier. Makes that step, you know, 5 inches lower than factory. You set the whole thing down. So we found a W900 in the fleet. Said, well, we'll just try this one out. Use this one for the tester. So thanks, Adam, for letting us test on yours.
So, you know, one thing that we've talked about, and, you know, they're doing these for the Pete's, and we are authorized dealer and installer on those.
Yep.
One thing you really like about these Kelderman ones is how the airbag setup is with the leaf spring down here.
So there's other competition that the way they make it is, and this isn't all bolted together yet, and it's just raw color, you know, there's just raw metal, which we can have powder coated to whatever, as long as we have enough headed up, we can get this powder coated to a lot of the color options that you want. Like this one will probably be orange to match the stripes. But a lot of them, this bag attaches to this plate, and so then you have to actually take the U-bolts out to change an airbag. When you do that, you really ought to get the truck realigned, and you do not reuse U-bolts because they stretch. So the nice thing about this is it's got a plate, so you just unbolt this plate, take it out, change your airbag, put your plate back in. So that's a nice advantage of this one over competitors. That, and it's hometown, you know, local. So let's support the local boys.
So yeah, so we're gonna do a lot of the parts like Brett was talking about down here with some of this stuff. We can get it powder coated to match the orange that's on this truck, correct?
Yep, correct. Just like the one on our Facebook that's up front with the display, it's red. So this one will all be, well, whatever Adam decides, I guess in the end, that'll be the color it will be. But I bet we're gonna go orange.
So, you know, some of it that we have to do is we have to move a couple things. What are the biggest things that we have to move on this?
So there's typically a bump stop here. Take the bump stop out. The rear hanger is right here. We have to move it back for this spring. Because you take a way lighter spring that doesn't hold much weight for the airbag. That has to move. So drill 3 holes there. We'll have to figure out exactly where our valve will go, whether we can just move it back or what we're going to do exactly. That's kind of what the R&D is right now, figuring out. Figure out our brackets here to get our height set correctly. So we're moving through her, and hopefully by the end of the week we have this done and we start getting some ready to sell.
How awesome is it that we get to be part of something like this where we're literally doing the first one of a Kelderman kit that's going to be done on a Kenworth?
It's pretty neat that we're trusted to do this. So we're having a lot of fun working with boys over at Kelderman Manufacturing. So this is kind of a big deal and kind of neat. So
absolutely. Well, we're going to get back to it here, everyone. We want to thank you guys for watching this process, and we're going to be really excited to sell the new Kenworth kits for Kelderman, and we're really excited to be helping them with this.
Yep.
And don't forget, we do have the Peterbilt 389, 379 kits available right now.
Yes,
they are ready to go. We've already done a few of them. We may or may not have someone famous getting ready to do one. I'm not going to disclose any more info than that right now, but you know, Brett, what would you tell the Peterbilt guys out there about this kit that don't have air ride on the front that are thinking about it?
I'd say start talking to the guys that have it and ask them about it. I've got one on my personal trucks. Driver says he loves it, so handles way better, more stable. Loves how it rides. Loves everything about it. So the install for us, I thought was great. Wasn't much drilling. It's just a nice unbolt, rebolt. You know, you're replacing a lot of parts that are on all these trucks, unless it's really new or worn out anyway. So it really works out. If you got any questions, you want to see one in live action, come out here. We'll let you see mine if it's around, not out on the road. You get your hands on it, see what you think of it.
Absolutely. All righty, guys. This is the Outer Limit Crew signing out for now.